What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking an inside look of the accounting app TaxBot. Coming up next. What's up, guys? It's Diana here with the Passion of Business TV podcast, helping you transition your passion into a business that you love. And today we're going to be taking an inside look of one of my favorite apps, TaxBot. TaxBot is an amazing, simple app that you can use to start, launch, and grow your business, and also be able to track your deductions. So oftentimes as a startup entrepreneur, you'll hear that you can get so many tax savings, that you have all of these great things that are available to you, and you really have no idea of how to track that. Well, TaxBot makes that super easy when it comes to keeping track of your expenses. So today I just wanted to show how you can actually use one of the amazing functionalities within the system, which is actually adding in an expense. So let's say you went to the store, you had something that you had to buy, and you wanted to add in an expense within TaxBot. So what you want to do is you go ahead and click on the expense icon. It'll pull up the menu screen here where you can add in the various categories, what it is that you actually purchased, a good description of that. So let's say you bought a training course, so you would put website.com training course, how much it actually cost you. It'll have the date in there and where you actually did the transaction. So you can include the website link or what have you. But it gives you all of those different various categories that are needed for the IRS to actually legally track your expenses. Also, you are able to put in the very specific category that is needed, also one of the requirements of where that particular purchase fits into what you're doing. So it may be for taxes for real estate, as we see here on the example. It may be the internet expense, could be samples, could be merchant fees, could be payroll taxes or just payroll in general, inventory purchases, office expenses, or what have you. So just a quick example, I may, purchase something for $7, and I'm putting that as an education expense. It may have been just like an online course, and put that actually in there as to what that actually is, where I got it from, and so forth. Also put, like I said, where I got it from, site.com, just as an example, and then actually put in the who, so I can put in the seller's name, and where I actually got it from. But where TaxBot is the game changer is being able to digitally track your receipts. So when it comes to actually tracking those things, as you may have noticed, that when you're shopping on and you buy something, it doesn't matter if it's a cheeseburger or what have you, those receipts, they fade. And so to prevent that from happening, you're able to actually digitally record your receipts. So if you go ahead and hit on attach receipt, it'll pull up another pop-up box where you can take a picture of it with your camera, which I absolutely love to do as soon as I, get the purchase, especially something like gas or, something that I physically bought in the store. Right there while I'm sitting in the car, I'll take a picture of it, and I'll just give you an example of kind of what that looks like. And so I just kind of pretty much wrote on a notepad, fake receipt, the date, time, or whatever, just a basic one. It's actually a poor image. So with that, as I just kind of have here, I can outline exactly just the specific dimensions of the receipt. So it only has that. It doesn't have any other background stuff. It'll scan it, save it, attach it to a copy, and I can also attach an expense. So let's say I drove someplace to actually get the gas. Obviously, I can save that way as well. And instead of saving this one just because it's an example, I'll go ahead and cancel that out. But this is an amazing app, and I absolutely love it. That is just why TaxBot is just an absolute game changer for, if you're just getting started, if you're an experienced. I have people that have been in business for 20 years that I've talked with, shared this application with them, and they are absolutely in love. So hopefully that was able to help you out, get you some ideas, just give you a little bit of an inside look as to how you can actually add an expense with TaxBot. It's the same way when it's the income. And we'll also go through some other modules, is, sharing how you can actually, add in your trips and how that kind of works. And I'll do like a live review of what that's like later on. But that's today's Tuesday Tech Tip. Hey, if you enjoyed today's video, I encourage you to subscribe at the link below or up in the YouTube card, and it'll be also in the description below. And then, hey, if you haven't gotten the Basics to Starting Your Business e-guide, go ahead and check that out. An amazing resource that I put together absolutely free to you because I wanted to help you transition your passion into a business. But that's everything that I have for today, guys. As always, live with passion, and I will see you guys later. Have a fantastic week, everyone. Bye.